Jimmy Fallon actually makes a small little cameo appearance in this. See if we can find him. He's kind of hard to spot.
Did you hear that? Mrs. Barrett.
Not quite ready, but sure. Very close. Philip. Yes. Everybody will check our safety in the house. And make sure that we are not disturbed for communication.
All right, can anybody find Jimmy Fallon? I know he's really hard to spot. Get it, he's right there. Now, on your screens, this looks like it's from the out of a real hotel somewhere here in Los Angeles, right? Well, it wasn't. Look what happens when the camera pulls back. You see, not a real hotel. Doesn't even have four walls. Doesn't even have a ceiling. That's just a set built atop a soundstage. That's W Soundstage is here at Universal Studios.
If you want to watch the full version, click this video on the left, or want to watch a video that recommend for you. Finally, thank you for watching and see you later.